In the projects book, under the section project number 1, there are really 3 projects. The first one is light up an LED. The second one is light it up with 2 switches in series, which is the one I'm showing here. And the other one is the switching on the LED with 2 switches in parallel. So these 2 are in series, as I said before. And I will power up the Arduino, and its internal LED is blinking as of a previous project. Doesn't matter, it's not contributing in any way. The sketch which is uploaded is not contributing in any way in this project. It's just providing the 5 volts. So I hope that the LED is bright enough to be able to see it when it lights up. Yes, it is. Very well. That's project number 1.